Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Mr. Ballmer's YouTube videos. And here, as you can see right on your screen in front of you, we're talking about the Copilot. Copilot is, as you can see here, your AI pair programmer. Alright, we are on GitHub here. And you can sign up. I have already activated the Copilot. As you can see, you can deactivate. When it's activated, it's blue here. When it's deactivated, it's red. So it's activated here, and we can start to program with the AI, with an artificial intelligence pair programmer, which will actually, that's why it's called Copilot, assist you. Okay, let me show you. By the way, just that you can see it here, join the GitHub Copilot waitlist. You can. GitHub Copilot is already enabled on your account. And yeah, I've installed it already. As you can see, it's installed. This is Visual Studio Code, and we are going to write some few code lines here. Let me just start with a normal one, which is actually to print hello world. It's very simple. Print hello world. All right. And this is what the Copilot did for me. He or it or she it wrote automatically the code for me. Okay, simple and easy, in such a way that you have an artificial intelligence assistant, programmer assistant. Okay, if you want to call it that way, they call it AI pair programmer. AI pair programmer. Okay. With the GitHub Copilot, get suggestions for whole lines or entire functions right inside your editor. Okay, let me demonstrate one more. I set it up already. And here we can start with GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is from Microsoft. You can download it for free on the the Microsoft website for Visual Studio Code. And yeah, this is how it looks. And I will put in this function for the moment. I could write it just like function accepted. Then it shows me some additional information. I can calculate state. Gives me additional information, the Copilot, see? And that's we're going to put in begin and end here, and just pass it, and that's it. Code is automatically suggested to me and written. Let me show you one more thing. Let me delete that one here. And let's put in the function time, for example. Okay, function calculate date already. Let me put in some other thing here, for example this one. All right, just put it in and it will give me some variables. I accept that, and the code is written for me. And of course I can change let's say blue, see, and we change the color. Green, so the text is in green here now, or let's say white. Of course it is not the text here, but when I print it or actually show the image, but this is just to show you. Okay, could be an additional accept. I do not want that. I want that in one line. So I'm going back, accept, and that's it. Additional attribute to the image. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's say I want title should be Hello World. Title, and not all text. Worlds. Function Hello World. I need to accept that, which I do, and it's set. Yeah, all right. So this is just some example, okay? Just some example, but of course we do not do that here. We get the red. Okay, so now I delete this function. And let's show you another thing. This is just some random stuff here. Okay, just to show you that the Copilot is assisting you in writing some lines, some code lines for you. Okay, it is not. I could show you much different things here, but for the moment I'll just show you that the Copilot is enabled and will give you code lines to assist you in writing code. Okay, let's see what we else can do, for example. Okay, let's take that one. Let's take that one. And take the variable. Okay, accept it. That's fine. Go to the next one. Put in return the current time. Okay, accept it, and accept, and that's how I wrote the code. Actually, the code was written for me by the Copilot, so it's simple. You just say something. Let's say I want that show me an image. Show me or display. Let's say display an image. Okay, it's, you see, current time. No, display an image of a cat. Yeah, why not? Okay, writing suggestion. Okay, that's great. That's also good. All right. right, and that's it. Display image of a cat, and let's take another one. This, no, not display, print. The current time in the browser. I show you other things maybe in the future. Yeah. Let me say it this way. Let's continue here with print and picture of an airplane. Okay. Written, accept. Here we go. Now I do it in a little bit another way. Oh yeah, of a dog, why not? Here we go. Written, accept, and another one. Not print. Show me. Hypersonic airplane. All right, here we go. Show you that with the function here for a second. All right, and now here we go. Okay, this is the line I wrote, or I passed here for the moment, but let's assume that I wrote this line, and it gives me some additional information about this. And now I'm going to see what kind of options they show me, what kind of options GitHub is showing me. Hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, that sounds great. Begin, end, yeah. So I want this, accept this solution, here it is, and that's it. Then I can display, I will show you that likely maybe in another video, that just like this, and the code is been written for you or for me. That's awesome. All right. And you get, of course, more information. Where we get the information here directly. And this is from OpenAI. Mr. Elon Musk. And just to mention the name, co-founded OpenAI. I think it was in 2015 or around that that year. I think it is exactly 2015, but yeah, you can check that by yourself. And to get it and put in, as I've heard, well, let's not talk about some number, but $1 billion or some amount like that to found and develop OpenAI. So you can see a lot of things, how it works. GitHub Copilot, and that's what I did. Get the private code. And yeah, that's how it works. And you can write anything any code you like. You can write in Python, JavaScript, C++. You actually, honestly to say, you can write in a lot of different programming languages your code, and yeah, it's very, very, very helpful, but always used with some caution. I say it this way because you need to check it, just to say for the moment, because this is supervised by you and not unsupervised for the moment. Of course, you need to be the one who is checking the code, right, when you write it. But yeah, it's a very, very, very helpful assistant, because it will write based on the text you write. It will write the code for you. So I highly recommend you, if you would like an artificial programmer assistant, like to say, who will assist you in programming. I say it this way, then you should get the Copilot from OpenAI. It's very nice. And this is just a short introduction into how the Copilot assists you. Let me try another thing, just to see that. Just write the text. Show me the current date and time. And here, and yeah, I could continue like this. But yeah, that's it. And you see, it's very simple. And of course, you can write functions and all kind of things. Let me put in that one. Again. See? It's showing everything already right this, and this is the Copilot who will assist you like that. Okay? And I just hit tab, and yeah. Let me show you some other thing. For example, show me some variables in the console with blue text. Okay, this sounds... let me try this. Open web page with a picture of, let's say, airplane. All right, and I want to see which one I should use. Language JavaScript. for the moment. Okay, path. What else? Solution take. Command line file 2, yeah. This is what we have. Server, yeah, to open it. Port, Express server and port. That's nice, but I want to change this one. Let's see which one. Express. It's okay, but I changed that to port 8080. Express server 800. Here we go. Accept that one, and that's it. And yeah, the var should be on the top, and then I can execute it with debugging or without debugging. This is just to show you that there are a lot of different kind of solutions. For example, let me try that one again. Okay, and it shows me different solutions. I showed the solutions with CTRL, left CTRL plus enter, and there we go. All right. Just to show you some Copilot assistant function that it shows you the code you can choose from if you want to, and there you can do a lot of things. Let me just say it this way, but this is just to show you that Copilot is activated. You can do that too, and you can use it today. Yeah, that's for the moment. And thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. You can like the video, give a thumbs up. If you'd like, you can share it. Much appreciated. And if you want to get notified about future videos, then just subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell or press the bell to set it to all, and you will get notified about future videos I upload. Thank you again, and peace in.